Hi guys. So I hope all you are doing well. So today we are talking about discuss about the how to send mail. For sending mail, we are use Node Mailer library. Okay, and so these application we are use basically creating the backend part only. And in this backend part, we are use the Node.js, and in Node.js we are creating for server. We use Express. Okay, so let's get started. So as you can see, I have created one folder. So for creating server, I have to initialize for some folder. So I hope all you are know how to initialize any Node.js application for creating backend. So I have to like npm init minus y. Okay, it will take time. Okay, it completed. So here you can see the create the package.json. There is the number, name, version, description. Okay, and now we can go for further discussion. Okay, so I want to create index.js file. Okay, so creating the server, I have to install the Express. Okay, so first I am going to install the Express. So npm I Express. Okay, so I have to require, so Express equal to required Express. Okay, so and I hope all you are know to create the backend for basic code, what how to run a server. Okay, so what are the uh, how to create the Express server. Okay, with the like creating the server with the Express. Okay, so I'm doing so here app dot express. Okay, so and also app dot use. Okay, app dot listen. Server is running. Ready. Okay. Okay. So if I run this folder index.js node index.js. Okay. So we are successfully creating the server. You can see that server is running at 8080. So now we are discuss and write the code for sending the mail. Okay, so for sending the mail we are use we will be use Node Mailer. Okay, so you can see the documentation also for Node Mailer. So if I search Node Mailer. Okay, so this is the official documentation for how to send mail with the Node Mailer. Okay, so here you can see the Node Mailer. I have to first install and require it, and transport Node Mailer dot create transport, and also host and port, and like that. Like I have to what is the host? Here is the SMTP um, SMTP. With the SMTP, you are sending the mail, posting. Okay, and there are the all the documentation. You can explore it and also read about it for the node mailer for like what are the features and how to send the mail. So and so first I have to install the node mailer for sending the mail. So here I have to copy and then okay. So I have to require it. So const okay equal require node mailer. Okay. So here I have to like one have I have to create the transport. So you can create another route also. I directly I create these things. Okay, so mm, you can create a route in different way, and you can do that. Okay, so here I am doing this right away, like in this index folder. Okay, so here let transport. Okay, here I have take a like variable transporter. So in this transporter, like node mailer dot uh, create transporter. Okay, okay. So in this, it will take the like one object. So we can create let config. Okay. So this is a object. Okay. In this object, uh, take the what is service. Okay. So service we are used for Gmail. Okay. We are use the Gmail or and it will take the auth key value auth key. Okay, so auth value here is the username or password. Like I want to send the mail to another email. Okay, so another email. So in this email, like from or to. Like okay, so from email, it will take like user. It will keys user. I have another email. Put it my mail. Okay, wrap it up as a string. Okay, so and also I have to write the password. Okay, it will not take a actual password of this in this email ID. So you can use the app password. So for that you have to go search on Google, like whatever email you are login in the Google Chrome. Okay, so you can search the app password for Gmail. So you can sign in your account for whatever Gmail and put the password. Okay, here you can directly you can create. You have to write the app name. Okay, so for I use the temp. Okay, so create app password. So here is the app password. Okay, you can use this app password. Okay, you can copy from here. This is not a actual password. This is a app password for access this Gmail for sending the SMS. Okay, so copy that and then paste it here. Okay, to remove the space. Okay, so now these things is completed. Okay, we can pass this config. Okay, so config. Okay, so now this transport we are create the successfully create transporter. Okay, this is a transporter. Okay, so now I have to whatever the message, like I want to send the message, so whatever the subject and what will be the message, so that things we are now right now we will creating. Okay, so so let message, so this will be a also a object. So it will take the from, so whatever like whenever we are sending the sending the mail, so there are the two things. Okay, a form email, one have two email. Okay, so sender email and to the whatever sending the email, so we have required to two email. Okay, so I have to use the form from from email, like whatever we are passed the authentication, so we are use this. Okay, from, and it will take two email receiver email. ठीक है? Okay, so receiver email we are I want use to temporary email. So for using temporary email, I have and I have no another email, so that is why we are use the temporary email for that. So copy that, the temporary email. So and whatever subject, what will be the subject? Okay, so for subject for demo purpose, demo send email. So this is email subject. Okay, and now I have to pass the body. Okay, so for body we can pass for body we can set the HTML code. Okay, you can like send a HTML file also, we are creating the style, and we can do that. Okay, so for that I want use for that just I have uh, h1 tag. Okay, I want h1 tag for you can anything you can send to that. Okay, so for h1 I okay, just I within the each one tag I send the hello world. You can uh, write the a proper HTML or proper create the CSS CSS also, like write the CSS for designing for whatever you want to. You can send these from HTML for body, email body. Okay, so these things we create. Okay, so now time to send the mail for write the code. Okay, so for transporter. Okay, transporter dot send mail, and whatever message I have to pass. Sorry. Okay, and then it will be promise. So then response. Okay, so here will be the we can send the message it will after the promise. If successfully it will sending the mail, I can response dot send. Sending the mail. Okay. Successful sending the mail. Okay. So dot catch if the any error. So it will catch the error. Okay. So RH dot send error. Okay. Okay. So these things. Okay. So now we are write the all of this code like for sending the email. Okay. So now time to test for that, like it able to sending the mail or not. Okay. So now we can run the server. So node index.js. Okay. So it's so okay. It already running. Okay. Sorry for that. Stop the server and again I want to run. Okay. So refer an error. Response is not defined. Okay. So we can okay, we not create the route. So for that we can console. Okay. For successfully send the mail. Okay. And for error we can write the internal error. Okay. Okay. Now I think this is solved. Okay. Okay, so you can see that he successfully sent the mail. So we can check that, check for temporary email. It will send, it will able to send the mail or not. Okay, so if I go this inbox, okay, you can see there are I got the mail from the this email. Okay, so the demo, this is the subject, and if I click this, okay, you can see that the h1 tag I send the with the h1 tag hello world. Okay, this is the sender email. When we are like where there we are use like for app password and like sender email, and I got the subject the demos email and hello world. Okay, so this is the things you can for through this process and this part of code, through this code you can send the mail. Okay, so any email id. Okay, so you have to just recap. You have to create the config for service gmail and auth. You have to write your like email for form email. So you have to write the email and you have to with the with the app password. Okay, and you have to pass to create transporter and pass the config and whatever message. So from email and to email and subject, and in HTML you can pass the any of the HTML file. So for create the body message and transport dot send mail, and these message I have to pass, and then like you have to handle the error and like response. Okay, so these things, so that's all. So thank you very much. So if you have any query or any stuck when you are creating these things, so you can drop a comment on these things. So thank you very much, guys.